3 tractor connections, okay? Your black hoses, sir, these are my service lines. This is my blue service, and this is my emergency service line, sir. The green one is my electrical connection, sir. As you can see, they are not cracked, damaged, loose. They are properly mounted and secured. There's no leaks coming from my service lines. My green electrical line, sir, is not cracked, damaged, loose. It is properly mounted and secured, okay? And it's steady on there. My hoses, sir, are made of rubber. So my service lines have no abrasions, bumps, or cuts, and there's no leaks in my hoses. My electrical hose is also made of rubber, so there's no abrasions, bumps, or cuts, and there's no exposed wires in this, okay? So we go to my glad hand, sir. Blue is my service glad hand. As you can see, it's not cracked, damaged, or loose. It is properly mounted and secured. And inside, sir, we have what is a rubber seal. It's called a grommet. As you can see, there's no abrasions, bumps, or cuts. And inside it is clean and free of debris and water, sir. And then when we connect it, just put it in a 9-degree angle. It is now secure with no leaks. My red emergency glad hand, sir, it is not cracked, damaged, or loose. It is properly mounted and secure, and also has a rubber grommet inside, sir. This one is not free of abrasions, bumps, and cuts, clean and free of debris and water, and it has no leaks. This, sir, is my electrical line. As you can see, it's not cracked, damaged, or loose. It's properly mounted and secured, and it has 7 holes which connect to our prongs, sir. We have 7 prongs inside. We make sure they're not cracked, damaged, or loose. They're not broken or missing. It is very important that all 7 are there, sir. Clean and free of debris and any water, so it doesn't interfere with the connection, and then we make sure it's secure and tight. Again, guys, you do not have to do this the day of the exam. I'm just doing it so you could see that you know how to explain it. Once we're done with the coupling part right there, we're gonna go to our 5th wheel, guys. I know that this is a sliding 5th wheel, so we have 3 extra parts. So very important, these right here are our mounting bolts. They're not cracked, damaged, or loose. They're properly mounted and secured to the vehicle. This right here, sir, is my platform. It is not cracked, damaged, or loose. It is properly mounted and secured to the truck. This, sir, is my skid plate. It is not cracked, damaged, or loose. It is properly mounted and secured. It is well greased, as you can see, and it has a cotter pin attached to it, okay? Inside here, sir, although you can't see it, is my locking jaws. My locking jaws are not cracked, damaged, or loose. They are properly mounted and secured, and they are locked around my kingpin, okay? So, right here is my release arm, sir. It's not cracked, damaged, or loose. It is properly mounted and secured, and it is in the locked position. That is my 5 major parts for my 5th wheel, but like I said, this is a sliding 5th wheel, so I have 3 additional parts. These 2 pins right here are my locking pins. They are not cracked, damaged, or loose. They are properly mounted and secured to the vehicle. This right here is my air piston hose. As you can see, it's not cracked, damaged, or loose. It is properly mounted and secured, and there's no abrasions, bumps, or cuts in my hose, and no leaks. Right back here, the cylinder, that is my air piston, okay? It's not cracked, damaged, or loose. It's properly mounted and secured, and there's no leaks. Now to finish off, under here, sir, you will see this is my apron. My apron is not cracked, damaged, or loose. It is properly mounted and secured. And inside here, although you cannot see it, it is my kingpin. I know that my kingpin is not cracked, damaged, or loose. It is properly mounted and secured, and it is well greased. And lastly, I must make sure that there is no gaps between my apron and my skid plate. Very important that there's no gaps, so I know that it's secure. That, sir, concludes my coupling. Would you like me to go to A, B, or C?